Welcome to the Morgan Properties video series, Site Standard Operating Procedures, Emergency Response, Gas Leaks. Natural gas or propane are colorless, odorless, and tasteless gases that can cause an explosion when the correct amount of oxygen is present. Because of these properties, gas utility companies add mercaptan to natural gas to give it a distinct and unpleasant odor that smells like rotten eggs to help detect leaks. Any request for smell of gas is an emergency request and should be attended to immediately. It is our responsibility to maintain the equipment that uses gas, which is why we have an extensive preventative maintenance program. Each site equipped with gas-fired appliances should have a combustible leak detector to check for combustible gas leaks. When a resident calls with concern of gas odor, ask the resident if the odor is slight or strong, if it is indoor or outdoor. If the odor is indoor and strong, the resident should evacuate the building. Tell the resident not to turn on or off any electrical devices, even a cell phone. Any spark can ignite the gas. Determine where the resident will be to let the emergency personnel into the apartment, as they may be the first to arrive. Leasing should call 911 first, then the service manager, regional and regional facilities manager. If the smell of gas is indoors and a slight odor, call the maintenance supervisor immediately. The slight odor may just be a pilot out. The supervisor should immediately go to the apartment. Check for the source of the leak. The origin could be from several sources, so check all areas. Call 911 and evacuate the residents if there is immediate danger of a fire or explosion. If it is possible, open the doors and windows to ventilate the building. However, do not spend additional time opening doors or windows if there is an imminent danger of explosion or fire that would jeopardize your safety. If the smell of gas is outdoors and the leak is on utility-owned gas lines, immediately call the utility company and 911. If the leak is on company-owned gas lines, isolate and repair if possible. If it can't be repaired by an in-house staff, immediately call your plumber. If the leak cannot be detected and there is still a smell of gas, call the utility company and 911. Complete an incident report and secure any reports generated from local officials in response to the emergency. These may include, but are not limited to, fire marshal reports, police reports, and utility company notices. Email a copy to insurance@morganproperties.com and your regional as soon as possible and no later than 24 hours after the incident. It is recommended that these procedures and training on equipment are incorporated into monthly staff meetings. All new employees must understand how to correctly handle incidents and receive monthly reminders on these instructions. Thank you for your time and attention. Should you have any questions, please reach out to your supervisor.